I guess it's just the question is the time that it will take for that threshold to, go to the other side where we're not so plastic heavy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. I mean,
Yeah.
my book will will shake a lot of things up. I know that. But we all have to contribute in some way. I mean, you are doing it with your platform. I'm doing it, with what I do, and everybody, needs to do something, and in the right direction. Then it's, there is a very interesting physicist. He's a quantum physicist. Actually, he's a Russian. His name is Vadim Zeland. It's not very known in Western, but he has created this theory called transurfing, okay? Transurfing. And he has a theory, which is the theory of the pendulum. And he says, if a certain number of people goes in a certain direction, then that pendulum starts, moving, and then it moves always faster. And then more people go in that direction and give more energy to the pendulum. And I find it a very interesting theory, which applies to, all social dynamics, to political parties, to sports clubs, to media outlets. When you have a certain number of people in that direction, that amplifies. And it's also the same like marketing. If you have a certain number of people buying a certain product, that product becomes niche, and then you make money. So, as you say, we have to a little bit push, but more than push, or I would say gently push, in that direction. And I know that we will see great changes ahead.
Yeah.